my lovely subscribers, I'm so happy you are here again. In today's video I'm going to show you another Kokorosa cutting die from my last purchase. This cutting die has a circle shape with gears and a clock. Now I choose silver mirror card for the gears and the pattern paper for the background, which look like steel floor. I also use a circle die cut, which size is similar like the gears die cut. I cut out a circle from the background so the silver mirror card can be seen. I use double-sided glue tape and liquid adhesive to stick them together. Usually I feel like it's a challenge to make a card for a man. I think this piece is a perfect one for a man's card, but it's also very good if you would like to use it for a steampunk style art journal page. If you would like to have this die cut, don't forget to visit the Kokorosa store and use my coupon code, which you can find in the description box. Then I use a piece of black cardstock as a background of the gears. It makes them much more visible. I stick them to a white card base. I stamp a happy birthday sentiment on white paper and I attach it on the left upper side. I have some teeny tiny circle pieces which come out from the die as I separated the paper from the die. There were the center parts of the gears. I used them as embellishments. Here is my finished card. I really love how the silver mirror parts pop out from the seam. I hope you found this video useful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye!